Hey guys, Tony here.
Oh shit, we're back.
We're back. We are doing something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, and that's put a shark fin on to replace that. So anyways, I picked this up long time ago from a place called Visual Garage Incorporated. Nice plastic, and it's made in Canada.
Canada.
It's made in Canada, eh?
It's about the same color on there, eh?
It is about the same color, eh?
Hey, don't you know? We take this here antenna off, eh? And just
Yeah. So the plan is, it looks like what we're going to be doing is.
we're starting the install. By the way, this is step one.
This is step one, starting the install.
Oh yeah, scratch that paint. You gotta pull this guy off. No longer needed.
Pull the antenna off, and it seems like we just will
do this thing. Another thing, eh?
What? They have this. That's a long list of directions. This is all their directions to basically say, take the antenna off and put this on. That's it.
Yeah.
But if we look inside, you can see where the new antenna, or the antenna is going to attach.
Squiggly lines.
Yeah, so I'll be able to tell on the drive home whether or not it's actually going to work and if it's going to give me good reception. But I don't really listen to the radio all that often. So, all right, we're done. So the directions call for rubbing alcohol. If your shit's dirty, so isopropyl alcohol. I don't know.
Isopropyl.
Clean this off, which is dirty. But I've got water too, so I'm gonna use water.
First.
And only by Aquafina.
Oh, testing it first. Make sure it's good.
Yeah.
We're gonna clean the whole car with Aquafina. Make it shine real nice.
I know. I'm just use like what was it? What's that? Perrier or whatever? What's that?
Oh, the bubbly stuff?
Yeah, the bubbly stuff. Dude, my car is really dirty. It says you have to press it on there for a minute. Oof, I know, a whole minute.
Dang. Oh. Okay. Dang, you got your own detailing service?
Yep. It's www.tonydoesn'twashhisowncar.com.
Yeah, we're clean freaks around here, clearly.
Yeah. Oh, this stuff smells like a hospital.
Oh. Yeah.
All right. I think we're sufficiently clean.
All that rubbing's gonna heat it up, right?
Yeah. So the directions say basically to heat this up to room temperature. It's about 60 degrees today, and it feels like 60 degrees, so we're at room temperature.
Dang, you got those things calibrated?
Yep. That's straight.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That's gonna actually
this is like the Finding Dory shark or whatever.
That's actually gonna make you, when you turn right, it'll whip the back end around.
Yeah.
And really just give you that nice aerodynamic flowage. It takes two people to do this, by the way.
Definitely.
Dang, man. It's like you know what you're doing.
I've screwed bolts in before.
I've screwed some things up before.
I've screwed some things before.
Yeah, do you want to keep it up towards the top?
Yeah.
I don't think that's going anywhere.
Oh. Oh, it seems to want to sit right in the middle.
Is that optically straight?
I don't know. Is it optically straight?
No, that looks pretty good, right? Well, you can really measure from this corner to this corner from this line.
Do I really want to go through all that?
No.
Okay.
I'm not going to tell you what to do.
You know, honestly, I'm not that picky. I mean, as long as it's not doing this. Oh yeah, it's definitely crooked. Actually, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some gaffer's tape.
Yeah, I was doing like a... Yeah, that looks pretty titties. Professional measurements here.
This looks familiar when we cut holes in your hood.
Yeah. Good thing we're not cutting any holes, huh?
Yeah?
Yeah. Alright.
It looks good. I'm gonna...
Are you going down the elevator over there?
Maybe like...
Right in the asshole.
Am I right? Am I right?
Alright, don't fuck this up, man.
Oh, dude, you have no idea.
Everybody go roast Tony in the comment section for.
Oh, God.
Oh. Oh.
Close enough.
Hold it for 1 minute.
Hold it for 1 minute.
59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. 50.
Radio. Okay. Hey!
Sounds pretty good.
Sounds pretty good. Well, we're done. And it was really fast.
Yeah. I thought there was gonna be a little more to the video.
Yeah, we
Sorry.
we thought there was gonna be a lot more detailed than this, but it's quick, it's easy. I can throw a link in the description for was it
Chingadera.
Visual Garage Incorporated. It's pretty cheap.
Canada,
They come from Canada.
Canada.
And you can have some Molsons too. Oh yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff.
Yeah, thanks
That'd
for
be
watching.
great. Yeah, share it if you can. That'd be great.
Yeah, if you want to, like, comment down below. I mean,
Tell us
Tell me
how
what you
fast
think.
it was. Oh yeah, tell us what you think. There you go. We'll end on that.
yeah, giveaway coming up for March.
March Madness.
Oh, March Madness giveaway. Yeah,
Alright, there we go.
I think we're gonna do every other month giveaways. I think
Okay.
that'd be good.
Yeah, I think that's
We'll
good
do
idea.
January, and then now we'll do March.
Okay.
I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but maybe another 10mm socket. We'll see. We'll figure it out. Let you guys know. Details soon.
Next video.
Maybe.
Maybe.
We'll see. If you're lucky.